Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and traveling.
Are you a student?
No, I finished my studies last year.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love pop music.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Mom, I forgot my homework.
Again? Where did you leave it?
I think it's on the dining table.
Didn't you check your bag before leaving?
I was in a rush. I thought it was in there.
You always pack last minute.
Can you please bring it to school?
What subject is it for?
English. The teacher said no homework, no marks.
What does the folder look like?
It's blue with my name on it.
Okay, I see it here on the table.
Please, I really need it today.
This is the last time I'm doing this.
I promise I'll be more careful next time.
I hope so. This can't keep happening.
Thank you so much, Mom.
All right, I'm on my way.
I'll tell the teacher it's coming.
Just make sure you're ready tomorrow.
I will. Love you, Mom.
Love you too.